Welcome to the series of Time Makers Part 2.
There are certain tasks that's lying around in your house that you've been procrastinating for a very long time and you're just not able to get it done. Trust me, I have a trick for you. If you're a person like me who hates monotonous tasks and like some surprises for yourself, trust me, this trick is gonna work wonders for you. I've got a plastic container like so. I'm gonna put all the tasks like example changing a curtain, cleaning the cupboard or cleaning the toilet or cleaning the fans. There are certain tasks that need not be done every day, but at least weekly or monthly once we have to get it done. So you have to write all those tasks there, and then we're going to randomly pick up one sheet from this plastic container or any container that you have. Every day you're going to pick a sheet, every day or weekly once, the way you prefer, or alternate days. So whatever task that you get it on the sheet, you have to do it. So the catch is that you have to do what is there. So it's like a surprise. You're not prepared for what task lies ahead of you because anything can come up. So you have to complete the task, and it's kind of a little surprise for us and fun to do. So I'm gonna pick a chit now and let's see what comes up. So I've got clean the cupboard. So today we are gonna get the work done. In order not to get too lazy, I've already tore some chit and stored it in the bottom. So always prefer reusing the papers. Here I've torn the chit from one-sided used papers. So even for the plastic container or even for the chits, don't buy anything new. Always try using things that's lying around in your house. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can make more such videos.